Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're going to discuss how to apply Japan e-visa online. Before I proceed further, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So whatever I describe in this video is totally based on my knowledge and research, and if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, I have already published a video where I have described how you can create an account for this visa system, and today we'll go through the process and I will try to show you as much as possible and describe. Alright, so step 1, like you need to apply. Step 2, you're gonna enter the information, they're gonna examine. Step 4, visa fee payment. Step 5, they are gonna issue the e-visa. Okay, so if in your case payment is required, then it will be issued after the visa, but payment is coming in step 4, free of charge. If visa is not payment is not required, they will do it at step 3 itself. So I'm not sure, so but one thing I'm seeing over here based on what is written and my understanding is that they are not asking you to pay upfront like all other visa applications I have seen. Like even let's say for Canada visa, when you apply, before you finally submit the application, you got to pay the fee, right? That is non-refundable. But here what they are saying that at the step 4 you have to pay, means first they will examine your application and then at step 4 they are asking you to pay. I'm not sure about this because I have not yet applied yet, but it's really good if that happens. Like it shows why Japan is so much advanced in everything, that they don't want you to pay the fee unless they examine and find out, yeah, you really need to, if that's the case. Alright guys, so let's see. And as of now this is applicable only for citizens of people, nationals of USA and Canada. So but hopefully in future it will be extended to other countries as well, but we never know when. So anyway, so first step is to log in. I'm gonna do. So here we are. Step 1 is login. Now step 2 will go, and step 3 they will examine. So we won't go to step 3. I'll just click on new registration. Register visa. I declare the information is true, complete and accurate. I understand visa may result in denial of entry to Japan or an order deportation from Japan. Okay, be careful. So you got to be agree to this. Basic information. Purpose of visit. Tourism. If I do, please make a selection. Tourism. Okay. Passport, you got to upload. Facial image, you got to upload. Family name, given name and middle name. Former family name, if there is none, enter this. Okay, so these are mandatory fields, and if there is nothing, you got to apply. Birth date, format, country, okay, Canada, because that was registered. The nationalities, birthplace, gender, male, marital status, whatever is the applicable for you. National registration number, if this, ordinary, passport number. Okay, so basic information, then accommodation, address, personal information. Okay, so it's coming like the basic information, accommodation, destination, personal. Okay, so all right, so these are the basic questions that you can, and once you are at the end you can review application, submit. Then it goes to the next stage where you can I mean, they are going to examine, and if fee is required, they are going to let you know. If not, they will issue, and through that you can go ahead. So thanks for watching this, guys, and I'll keep you guys updated. Thanks for watching.